Hello everyone and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn in the pipeline. So, to find out what this means and how to use it, stay tuned. But first, what do you say we start with a quick review of last week's class? Okay everyone, so imagine I ask you, can you understand these contract details? Because it is very difficult. There's a lot of legal terminology, a lot of hard expressions. I can't understand what it means. And you also feel the same. You can't understand it because it's too complicated. What do you say? You've got 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go. All right, and time is up. If you said, not really, it's all Greek to me, then that's exactly right. Well done. Thank you for remembering the expression. Okay, everyone, let's move on to in the pipeline. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, so I'm at the office and I'm wondering, I'm curious, I want an update on this project. So I ask my good colleague Taro, say, Taro, any idea when the new feature will be ready? Maybe we started developing this project a few months ago, so what's the situation? Taro says, no, but it's developing now. Okay, so maybe I think Taro could also say, no, but it's being developed now. Okay, so that might be a little bit better in terms of grammar here, but yeah, it's developing now. I can understand what Taro is trying to say here. Now, although this is fine, you might hear a native English speaker say this. No, but it's in the pipeline. So meaning it's being produced, it's being created, it is being developed. Okay, it's in the pipeline. All right, everyone? So, for example, yeah, the new project is in the pipeline. The new system, it's in the pipeline. Someone's working on it, and well, hopefully they can launch it or release it soon. It's in the pipeline. Okay, pronunciation, everyone. So please repeat after me. It's in the pipeline. In the pipeline. Your turn. Good, it's in the pipeline. Now after my question, so any idea when the new feature will be ready? No, but it's in the pipeline, so hopefully in a few weeks or in a month or so. Okay? All right, so please remember this for next time. All right, everyone, so this week's bonus question is another way to say I am so happy. I hope all of you are happy. So how do you say this in a different way? Well, if you know what the answer is, you can leave it in the comments below. If you don't know what the answer is, well, feel free to check it out because we covered it in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners lessons, so take a look if you've got the time. Okay, everyone, so that is it for us this week, Bizmates for Beginners. This is number 301. Unbelievable that we've been doing 301 weeks, I guess, of Bizmates for Beginners. So I just want to say thank you very much for always watching the video. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much.